Can you guys hear me, yeah? Okay, cool. I'm a bit small, so... Okay. So I'm going to make a quick presentation about Flyingcarpet. So Flyingcarpet is a decentralized network for autonomous AI, that decentralized platform for the gathering data. So it's based on the AI and blockchain. I'm going to do a quick presentation. So myself, I'm an electrical engineer, graduated in France, specialized in AI and machine learning, and also from the States, where I graduated back then in 2009. I got involved in Bitcoin back in 2009, and then the Ethereum. So I've been building different projects worldwide based on decentralization, like transportation, something about identity. There's a blockchain project in Papua New Guinea, in Asia Pacific, about ID Box, and something a decentralized trading platform called Dashbot. Okay, yeah, the original idea about Flyingcarpet, I was working in the States in 2009, and I was building a decentralized robot platform, like a swarm of robots that could learn about the environment. So imagine something that, as a robot, that could take picture of the campus and then upload those pictures online, and if the pictures were good enough, if people liked the picture, then the robot could actually get credits and then charge himself. So that's, in machine learning, we call it reinforcement learning. It's survival mode. So you do reinforcement learning for having a robot to actually learn about the environment. So then I thought about, okay. So then I thought about like having something with drones, because drones are everywhere. So can you actually build a mesh network about different IoT devices like drone that can learn about the environment and then gather data and then extract mathematical patterns of the data? And that's actually what we built last year in January. So basically the idea is about having 4 different entities. You got the people that have an autonomous IoT device like drones, you got people that have a Flyingcarpet charging station, and you got a business, and you got developers. So the first product of Flyingcarpet is a charging station. It's a decentralized charging station that can be placed anywhere. So you can place the charging station on the balcony or the garden, and then it will be used for charging any drone. So think about the countryside. You place the Flyingcarpet charging station somewhere, and then the drone will land on the Flyingcarpet and then charge, and you'll be able to earn money. And then this charging station is actually linked to your wallet, your crypto wallet. That's basically the very high-level architecture of the project. We're using Ethereum at the moment, and then state channel, we do like identification on private key and public key using Trubit and phone protocol for GPS location-based system. So then I built last year the first prototype, and then using Tesla batteries. So the charging station is about like 20% of the idea of the project. I'm going to show you. Tesla battery, fast charger. So you've got the, so I record myself, you can actually go online. Can we click on the video? Yeah. So if you go online, you will see myself building the Flyingcarpet charging station. It's about like hardware and software, got a bit of blockchain inside. And I will show you the AI part. So it's super fast, it's about like 800 watts an hour, and you can charge a drone in less than 15 minutes. Okay, this is actually my garden in London. You got the Flyingcarpet here, and you've got the drone. Can we click on the video? It's fine, yeah, just this one. Yeah, so basically what happened, this one is a prototype, but you basically carry the Flyingcarpet in a backpack. You put the Flyingcarpet, so you mount it. You got like solar panels, so they can actually, the Flyingcarpet charging station can be charged by using solar. And then you got this drone, which is a DJI. So you guys probably know about the DJI company, which is the biggest one worldwide. And you basically plug any drone into the network. And what happened is like the drone actually learn how to land on the Flyingcarpet. It learned automatically. This is actually no one actually controlling the drone to land on the Flyingcarpet. What we do, we use reinforcement learning inside a game engine. So then the drone is able to learn where is the Flyingcarpet, land on it, and then leave. So what we're doing is like ready for drone to gather data. It's not about transportation of people, it's not transportation of goods. It's about like using the network, the data about drone, because drones are the eyes in the sky. So we're first starting with drones at the moment. So then the drone land on the Flyingcarpet and then charge, and then the person that has the drone earns money. The person that has the Flyingcarpet charging station earns money. So anyone is actually making money in the process. This is actually the network at the moment. We're talking about 127 billion market cap just for drones next year. That's what we've been focusing on the different proof of concept, doing for biomass agriculture, infrastructure, energy provider, also biomass, also like a risk management insurance system. I'm going to show you. This is the first app that we've been building. So basically, this is an app that you guys can download on the mobile phone, and it will, as a business, you can see how long the drone will be flying for example, like 16 kilometers, average speed of 8 kilometers an hour, and you'll be using 5 different Flyingcarpet charging stations. Estimation data is about like 710 megabytes, and it tells you that you're making, it will cost you like 82 ETH. This is something for people that have a charging station. Think about charging station like an electrical scooter. So you can buy an electrical scooter, or you can buy a charging station, and you can basically make money, because a drone will, you can be sitting here, and your phone will tell you, hey, your drone was used 10 times today, you made $1,000 US. You don't know for what, but it was used today. Or your Flyingcarpet was used 10 times, and you made $500 US. You don't know for who actually charged on your Flyingcarpet, but actually you used to charge drones. I mean, you charge drones. Then it tells you, okay, where is the best area in the city to actually make the most money? So you're talking about 0.2 ETH per square meters, or 0.01 ETH per megabyte. This is for business. So if you have like if you have a big company and you want to have like a swarm of drones, and you want to actually take care of them, then you can see a lot of different metrics, different data. Okay, this is boring. So what we actually use to teach those drones how to drive, we use a game. This is actually inside the game. Instead of gamers, so we're actually targeting the trillion market cap of people playing games. So then instead of just playing a game, can we click on the video? Yeah. Oh no, back. Yeah, can you just click? Okay, that's fine. Maybe if you can accelerate the video on the bottom. You got a bar, progress bar, that's fine. So then what we do actually in this video, we do collision analysis. So if someone drives a drone and then teach a drone how to do a specific task, so imagine like for rooftop analysis, or in Hong Kong, when you do like from building to building, someone in the game can actually teach a drone how to do that. And then we encapsulate this software, this AI software, we basically encrypt it, and then we post it into a marketplace so people can actually power the drone with this specific task. Any data is generated by the specific task, then it is encapsulated and we can sell the data. So we do like collision analysis. So the drone is actually used to make sure that this is not harming people, not doing terrorist attack, and all this stuff. This is all the different proof of concept we've been doing. Don't click on the video. I think it's automatic, no? Can you just click somewhere on the page? Yeah, okay, cool, yeah. So we've done, and also on the video over there, we've done one proof of concept for farming. So we do like biomass analysis. It's a massive potential. So you can actually gather data about agriculture. And then we can give the data back to the farmer, or we can actually sell the data on the marketplace. We got like coconut features. This is actually a very cool proof of concept. Can you click on the video on the coconuts? So what we've done, a drone is able to fly over a plantation of coconut in Papua New Guinea, calculate the number of coconuts per tree, and then we estimate the numbers of coconuts in plantation, and then we basically build coconut futures. So if you guys know about commodities, we basically sell coconut futures back to the trading market in London, in the city. So then the farmer can make a lot of money, more money by selling the data about the coconuts than actually selling the data about than actually selling the coconuts back to the market. We can do that for cacao, we can do like for any commodities. And we use AI machine learning. So our team is about like 15 people. My background is AI machine learning. We've been building scripts, like AI script for about the past 10 years. I used to work for security defense company to build autonomous weapons. I quit, and now I'm trying to build stuff for showing that the people that AI and blockchain can actually do good. We've done like something for land registration, because in Asia it's a big deal. We're trying to do like land registration, like also in Asia Pacific. I just came back from Papua New Guinea in Australia, what we're doing for ADB, the Asian Development Fund. This is actually part of the project as well. This is something we're actually looking at as well. We're actually building a proof of concept for forest. So we do like carbon, and we actually try to extract mathematical patterns from the forest. So this is something we're going to announce in a couple of weeks. This is another guy that we sent the guy in Antarctica. Can we click on the video? And then we got voice, just very quick.
There's a lovely adage that ignorance is bliss. But in an increasingly complex world, knowledge may be your only means for survival, and ignorance no longer becomes blissful.
We live in a world that is getting warmer, and that means that glaciers and ice sheets are melting. It's more important than ever to understand that actually these tiny microbes are causing glaciers and ice sheets to melt faster.
So this is someone we sent to Antarctica, and he's actually gathering data about the climate change in the ice. So you got a drone that autonomously fly, gather data, and then we actually we extract mathematical patterns out of this data. This is something we've done in Papua New Guinea. So we're actually placing flying carpet in different villages. And then those drones fly from village to village, and any money that is made in the village is spread among all the people in the village. This is an app you can download for the flying carpet. I'm very quick, sorry. This is something, can we click on the video? Just 1 more minute, and then I shut down. Oh, wait, can you go back? Yeah, this one. So I'm a big fan of classic car. I've owned this car for more than 5 years now. And what happened is, so if we go to next, we place the flying carpet charging station on the car. So everyone who's actually driving a car can actually charge a drone. So you can actually park the car somewhere in the countryside, and then your car will be used to charge a drone. We're going to release like a video also. So if you guys can join the Telegram. Sorry, there's no voice chat. And that's it.